Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, good evening all. Yeah, guys, please join fast. I see very less number of people. Yeah, please join fast, everyone. Yes, yes, please join fast. Okay. Yeah, ask your friend near and dear. Okay, to join fast. I'm audible to everyone, right? Please reply in the chat. I'm audible to everyone. Okay. Okay, please ask your friend to join fast. Okay. Today we'll discuss about some project. Okay, how to create a project and all the things and how the real project look like. Okay. I have a one real-time project which I will showcase you. So please join fast everyone. Okay. And before that, you have to perform some task. Okay. I will tell you. Yeah, yes, guys, please join fast everyone. Okay. I'm waiting. Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, I'm audible, right? Yes, no. Yeah, please. I'm clear audible to everyone, right? Okay, I just want a quick poll from everyone. Okay. Like today is the day 14, right? Okay. So how many of you guys are continuing from the day one? Okay. Just I want to know. So please reply in the chat, everyone. Yeah, yes, no, please. Yes, yes, please reply. Reply in the chat. No one? No one is continuing from the day one. I don't see any messages. Why? Okay, day one, good. Okay, those who are continuing from day one, okay, just congratulate yourself. Okay, and thanks for your continuity. At least whoever is continuing from the day one, at least these guys have learned something like what the things they are implementing and how to make a architecture of any application, any web development and all these things. Right? Everyone? Am I right or wrong? Yes, no. Now we have a one task, okay? I am giving you. You just have to perform it, okay? It's not a test, nothing. Okay. So just see here on the screen. Everybody can see on the screen, right? Okay. Okay, then we are in the chat box. Okay. This one. You can see set up a React JS for the front end and create a counter app. Okay, and you have to deploy it also. Okay, so I'm sending in the chat also so everybody can see it. And after deploying, okay, you guys have to send me the deployment link. Okay, you have to deploy in the Netlify, right? That things we have to do. Okay, everybody got it. You have to create a basic route. You have to basic create a counter app. Okay, and in that counter app we have to deploy it. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes. Yes, yes. Everybody deploy it, create it and deploy it. Okay, everybody. Got it? Yes. Please do fast, everyone. I'm giving you time for the like the 15, 20 minutes for this. Okay, please do it, everyone. Yes, yes. Got it. Like those who join new, I'm explaining you once again what we have to do. Okay. You guys have to create set up a create a React JS in the front end, okay, and you have to create a counter app, okay, and after creating you have to deploy it onto Netlify, and after deploying you have to send the like your deployment link in the chat box, okay. Everybody have to do it, okay. Those who join new, I see like most of the people like join right now, so please do it, okay. And those who are friends joining now, just convey this message, okay. I will not repeat this every time. Got it? So I'm forwarding this message once again in the chat. Everybody, please do it. Yes, no. I'm audible to everyone. Yeah, I'm good audible to everyone, I think, right? Ma'am, can you make sure I am audible to everyone? Ma'am is there or not? Okay, I think ma'am is not there. Okay. Okay, guys. So today we'll discuss about some project. Okay, suppose when you go, I'm audible now. Like you guys can reply in the chat. Okay. Yes, sir, it's audible. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. So suppose you see, like this is the Amazon page, right? This is the Amazon page you can see, and in this Amazon page, what we have a page, okay, where we are getting all the information and everything, right? And there is a different tabs we are getting, like the different item according to the tab, right? So in all that tab what we have, every tab we have some information, okay? And that information from where you are getting from some admin panel, okay? It's not like someone is manually updating all these things, right? They have created some admin panel, and from admin panel all these things are getting updated, and then after there is a sign up, login, everything is there, okay? So similarly like this page, okay, we today will discuss in very detailed manner what the page should be look like, okay? So we'll discuss these things. So give me a time, okay? I am opening that file, searching for that file first, okay, and then I will explain. Okay, everybody see here on the screen. Okay. So I have one project, okay. It's working totally, completely, okay. It's a client project, okay. So in this what we have a one file of front end, one file of one folder of front back end, one folder of front end, and one folder of socket, okay. Now we click on it and we'll see something, right? It will look something like this. So in this we have to start our front end first, okay. So before front end, we'll start with the backend. Okay, so CD backend. Okay, in this like backend, how we'll run it? Okay, if you go there and go to the package.json, we'll see like npm run dev we have to do. Okay, so we put it npm run dev. Okay, it will start the backend. Okay, then after what we have to do? I have to open one more terminal. Okay, for the front end. Okay, so we have to go to the front end part. CD front end. Okay, so now I'm in front end folder. You can see here this is the front end. So we go to the folder of front end, and in front end there is a package.json. Okay, and you can see this is the start. Okay, so we have to write like npm start, so it will start the front end. Okay, and then after we have a one more. Actually we are running three terminal. Okay, and another one is for the socket. How will run the socket? Socket is by npm start. Okay, so just write it cd socket, and this is like the npm start. Okay, so it will start your socket. Okay, so we have a three folder, and we are running all the three folder. Okay, the server is running on port 4000. Then after your front end is running. Okay, front end is getting started. Okay, and your back end is running on 8000. Got it? Okay, so let your front end start. It will take little bit of time. It's a very huge file, so just wait here. Okay, everybody getting like how to start this like every folder at least? Yes, no? Yes, yes. Why people is too less today? I see very less people. Okay, those who are like continuing from the day one, it's a big congratulations to you. You have like about to end the this series. Just give me 1 minute, huh? Guys, I'm getting on. Okay, sorry, I'm checking the messages of everyone. So now what we have started like your okay. This is the front end we have started. Okay, and like the I have started the back end, and this is the socket. We have started all these things. Okay, now we'll see like what output we are getting. Okay, if you see this output, you will see something like this. Okay, we'll get something like this. Okay, so this is about, you can search the product. This is the home page. Okay, this is the best selling product, and there is a FAQ, and event is not working, so don't go on the event. So we have created this kind of page. Okay, now we can add the product and everything. I will explain you each and every functionality of this. Okay, right now it's sign up. Okay, if you open this, you will see some profile ram and something is already there. Okay, so what I will do, I will log out this profile. Okay, so it will log out. Now it's asking for the login. Okay, so suppose when you are creating any page, right? Everybody please listen here. Okay, so when you are creating any page, any website, okay, so first we have, then the first things we have to make the authentication of page. We have to authenticate the page. Authentication means what? Like suppose if you are going any page, right? Okay, so like any random user should not come. Okay, suppose if you are in Amazon page, so okay, so in that page you can enter easily. Okay, but when you start shopping or something, it will ask for your credential, like you have to log in and all, then only you can purchase the stuff, right? Okay, so same thing I have given here, like in this app. Okay, so whoever it is, okay, if you want to like, okay, so if you want to purchase any stuff, you have to log in first. Okay, for login, there is a other user already login. So I log out it and I sign up. I will create some UI. Okay, I will create some profile for this. Okay, so you tell me who want to create their profile here. Okay, I will ask some information from him. Okay, so I will create Nagesh profile. Okay, because Nagesh is like very much active. I see like whenever I ask, he is replying. Okay, so Nagesh, just reply your name and like city and everything. Okay, just in the chat. Yeah, please reply. Okay, Nagesh is replying maybe. Meanwhile, it came here. Okay, so for this, what we have to do? We have to write it full name. Full name is Nagesh. Okay, right? And then after we have to give some email id. Email id, what it does, it will give you the authentication mail. Suppose when you reach on any website, it will, not for every website, but some website like ask for your authentication and ask you to go you and check your mail, and then after we can authenticate. For this we have to enter a valid email. Okay, and then after we have to enter password. I have put it up to the 9, and then after we have to implement one image also. Okay, so I will take some any random image, so I'm not conscious about these things. Okay, and I submit it. Okay, okay, user already exists. Why it's saying user already exists? Because I have used this email id previously. Okay, so we have to use some different email id. Okay, so let's see what user id we have. Okay, I will try this with this email. Okay, let's see. Okay, user already exists. Okay, anybody can send your email id. Okay, I will try with your email id. On your mail you will get a verification. Okay, just anybody send me your email id, especially Nagos. If you want, you can send it. Anybody send your email ID. I need one email ID from you guys. Just send it anyone, and on your email you will get one verification mail. Yes, no. Okay, nobody will give. Okay, I have to check email from my side. Just wait, give me a minute. I'm checking from my side. Okay, then after we can get it. Anybody have a like unused email? Because what email I have now, I have already used all the mails. So I want some new email from you, right? Yeah, anybody can send me one mail. Okay, somebody has sent it. Okay, okay. So I'm using this. Okay, Mambia, I'm using your mail. Okay, and you will get a notification on your mail. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so we are on this page, right? And we are putting this. Okay, and up I have uploaded already image and submitted. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Okay, user already created and user created and Suma got a mail to activation. Okay, so you can go there and check it. Okay, so you just have to go to your mail and they will give you some link. Okay, you have to just click it and it will redirect on some page. Then after your account will be verified. Just do it. Yeah, yeah, please do it. Mamia, please do it. Okay, then after we can proceed. Okay, yes, that came. Okay, just click on that mail. It will redirect you on page and it will show you a message. Your account is verified and ready to use. Okay, if you make a delay na below than like more than 30 seconds. Okay, then what happen? Your token will expire. Okay, so it's basically generating one token. And please tell me it's done or not. It's done. Yeah, please reply in chat. But not opening. Okay. Okay, it's not opening with anyone. Why? How? Okay, just wait. I have to try my email because I have used all the mail. So that's why I don't have any unused mail. That's the basic reason. Okay, I'm trying this mail. Okay, I've just opened this and let me check like it's working or not. Okay, so people have sent it some mail. I'm checking this mail. Kaveri has sent it, I think, right? Okay, Kaveri, I'm using your mail. Okay, just open your email box. Okay, and we'll get one like notification. Just see here. Opening this will give you a practical like the practical use and like the you will get a practical feel like how the things work. Okay, just be here and I'm signing up again. Okay, so I start with the Kaveri, and this is your email address and you have sending password 8. Okay, and uploading some random profile. Okay, so after clicking it now. Okay, when it will show you the green sign and like you show a message like your profile has created. Okay, your profile is created and you got a mail. Okay, just go on your email account and inbox and just you got a mail. Just click on it and it will show your account is activated. Okay, it will redirect on some React app page. Okay, just do it and confirm me in the chat. Okay, yes, just confirm in the chat. Got it? Just confirm it. Okay, just go and click on it and it will get confirmed. Okay, then after we can proceed. Done, I think. Yes, no, then we can proceed for the sign up. Okay. So this is your email. Okay, and you have to put it password. You're done your like the verification, like on verification mail it has sent it. You done with these things? Yes, tell me yes, no. I'm waiting your reply in the chat. Okay, it's up to 8 and I click sign. User does not exist. You created something wrong. This is the password. Okay, let me try 7 or 8. Okay, all are getting fail. Okay, I will try by my unused email. Let's see it's working or not. I need some new email. Okay, then it's work. I'm trying with Sam. Okay, and for Sam I'm using this email ID. Just wait. Okay, I'm using this email ID. Done. Okay, done. And then after asking for password, I put it up to 7. Okay, just be remember these things. And I uploaded one email and submit it. Just wait. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, your account has created, right? And when you go on this account, na, when you go on this email box in Gmail, okay, so what will got? And just wait here. You'll get this kind of activation link. Okay, so just go on and click on it. Okay, so it will give you like that. Okay, your account has been created successfully. Okay, that kind of message you are getting, I think. Okay, now then after come to your app, your account has created successfully. Now we can sign in by email. What email you are using? This one. And then after we have a password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's up to the 7. Remember me and submit. Right, now we are login. Okay, the image will come in some time. Yeah, image has come. Okay, and you are logging with the Sam. This is your email ID and you have entered the password and everything if you want to update your phone number and all. Right, clear up to this point? Yes, no. Now we see the functionality of the home page and all. Right, everybody clear up to this point? Just tell me yes, no. Yeah, basically na, basically whenever you are creating, whenever creating any page or anything na, what will happen? What will happen? They will ask for authentication, so that is the authentication. Okay, whenever you are reaching on any website, they will ask for the verification, verify that mail which we are using. Okay, so that functionality I have given there. How I have implemented this we will discuss later on. Okay, so this is our the first concern. Okay, so we will got it. Then after there is a product. Okay, so there are lots of product there. Okay, if you want to purchase this one, right? Okay, suppose accessories or something. In accessory we don't have anything, so I will go with this one. So like I want this iPhone. Okay, so this is the store name, Khushbu store name, you can see here. And if you want to add to the like your cart, you can add it like in this manner. Okay, and now if you want to purchase it, click on it. Okay, and it's showing already sold. Okay, so there is no more copy is available there, that's why it's showing already sold. Okay, so now we check for other options. Okay, okay, it's sold. Okay, zero sold. I'll try this. Okay, so this is some the like the kanchi sari. Okay, and from the random shop. Okay, so I want to mark it, so it will mark it. If I remove this, it will remove. Okay, and if you mark it, you will got something like this. Suppose I remove. Okay, and I mark it. Okay, so you will get right one, close it, and you will get it here. Right, okay, got it. And remove this from here also. Got it. Now I want to purchase this. what I have to do? Click on it. Okay. And asking for how many items you want. Okay, I want one, two, three, four. Okay. So just I go with the two one. Okay, or maybe one. Okay. So how many value you added, your value will be updated accordingly, right? Okay. So now I need one only. Okay. Then after I want to add it to the cart, you can add it to the cart also. In your cart, it will get added. If you go in your cart, okay, it will show all the value, right? Okay, and now we can proceed for the checkout. In checkout they will ask for some information to fill it, like your phone number should be like 10 digit. Okay, you can't put it like less than 10 digit. Okay, so it will ask for the 10 digit. Then after the zip code you can put it some random stuffs. Okay, then after country is asking for like Albania. I have put it. Okay, let me connect my charger. Okay, and you can like choose your country, choose your city or something. Okay, according to the best of your country, based on your country, you will get the option of your city. Okay, you can see. Okay, so in this country has no any city. Okay, so according to the base of the city now you are getting your country name. Okay, then after your address we have uses the API. Okay, which API? That API which are using on the weather app. Okay, so for getting the like the current city, a state or something like this. Okay, so we have used this one also. Then after we have some coupon and anything we can apply it. Okay, then you can go for the go to payment. For payment there are some information they are asking. Okay, it's a, like a working payment, so I am not suggest you to write it. Okay, so for this they have a like a option, go to the cash on delivery and confirm it. Okay, your order get placed. Okay, so this is the user part, right? This is basically the user part. Okay, now you want to be on this page as a seller. Okay, suppose this is the Amazon website. On this Amazon website is not for the user only, for the not only for the customer only, right? There is a seller also. Suppose if you open this page, so you can see like the best seller in the shoes or something. Okay, so whoever is selling this, okay, that is the best seller, right? So the seller name and everything is there on the poll tag, right? You guys are aware about these things, right? So in this our app we can add our like the seller also. How you can add it? By admin panel. Okay, okay, so meanwhile we'll take a break. Everybody is asking for break. Okay, we stop for break for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes please be back everyone, so then I will explain how the things is working, and then after we go for the code and all. Okay, so please be back in 8:10. Okay, so everybody please be back. Yeah, everybody. Yeah. Please reply in the chat. All are back, right? Yes, no. Now we have to discuss about the admin, how admin is working, right? Yeah, please respond in the chat. Everybody back, I think. I'm expecting at least. Yeah, at least give your response. Voice is not audible. Now voice is audible, I think. Okay, okay, it's a previous message. Back, sir. Back. Okay. Okay, so many people have sent you the message, right? Okay, so now move ahead. So now we have to discuss about the admin, how admin is working. Okay. So for this, I have given a one button. You can give the any name. I have given the dashboard. Okay. So click on dashboard. Okay. So it's asking, sometimes it's asking you to create a admin and everything, right? Right now it's already created. Okay. If you go on settings, so you see like all shop and everything is created. Okay, so if you want to add product, okay, so how you can add it? So this is the dashboard. You can see it like how many order is processed and all the things you can access all the things, all order, all product, everything you can see it related to that particular admin. Okay, if you in that particular admin, if you want to add some product, okay, or this is the all product. Okay, if you want to create some product, so you can create it also there. How you can create it? You have to give the name, product name. What is your product name? Okay, suppose I am giving sari. Okay, this is the sari. Okay, good in look, good in look and fashion. Okay, I have written this one. Now we have to select for the category. For which category? This is for the clothes. Okay. Then after you, if you want to give some tag, you can give it this tag. Okay. And what is the original price? I keep this original price around like 900, right? And after discount, it will become 800. Okay. And the product stock, how many product you want to stock? I want to stock the 10 pics. Okay. And then after you have to upload the image. Okay. So I will click on it and I will go on downloads and I have some image, so I will upload this. So I have uploaded some image, right? And I created. Okay. It will take little bit of time, maybe. What's happening here? Why it's not creating? Just let me check. Okay. Component hooks fail. Okay. User is connected. This one is also working fine. This one is also working fine. Then why it's not connected? Maybe some issue with image. I will try with another image, right? I will try with this image. So it's not get clicked. Okay. Object. We are getting a failed response, server responder status 400. Okay. Let me check. It's showing some error in the socket, I think. Server is running in 400 and. For the backend, It's all good, everything. Check for the front end. Okay, all things are good, right? Then what's happening here? Okay, anyway, there is some cloud issue, maybe something happened, okay, because I have used the Docker and all. So that's why it's happening. No routes match. Why no routes match for this? Okay, forget it. Okay. So the main thing is like if you add some product from here now, you can see it like the at the immediate, like if you go there and if you go the all product, you see like the product which we have added earlier now, we can see it here, okay? And like what the withdrawal money is there, you can see it here. Shop inbox, okay, discount code, refunds, you can see all these things here, okay? So again, we go to the like the main page. Whatever product we'll added na, it will came here, okay, on the home page. It will taking little bits of time. Okay, for best selling nothing is there. Okay, object is loading still, okay. So whatever product we added na, it will came here, okay. So I have added in the close. You go in the close section. Right now it's not coming, okay, because there is some issue in the Docker, okay. So that's why sometimes it happens because we are using the free resources, so that's why, okay. So now come to the code, okay. We'll discuss about the code, how the everything is working, okay. So just came here. Okay. So first start with the backend part. Okay. Then after we start with the front end and then we start with the socket. Okay. Got it. So start with the front end. Okay. In front end, what we have first we have to go to the app.js. Okay. So okay. So in app.js we have given all the routes and everything. Okay. So who is the main file? Main file is the server.js here. Okay. So we go on server.js. Okay, you go on server.js. Okay, so this is the main file which is running. Why this is the main file which is running? If you go on package.json, you will find it. Okay, in npm run dev, this file is running. Okay, so this is the main file. In this file, we have given all the information like whatever the things we are using. Okay, we have connected the database. Then we are using the Cloudinary. Okay, for Cloudinary storing all the information. Then we are approaching the .env. Okay, and then after we are creating the server is running on the particular port and port is given there with the port in .env, I think somewhere, okay, is explained there already, right? So we all information are given there in server.js. Then after we have a like a okay, in config we have given all the information like what we are using, right? So it is there. Okay, then after we have a controller. Okay, inside controller, basically inside controller what we did now, we have created all the routes. Okay, inside the controller we have all the routes what we are using. Suppose if we discuss about the like the catch async, okay, so this routes is basically for the route post express require, okay, the get seller conversation. Okay, this is for the seller conversation. What seller is doing, this is for depth. Okay, so this is the get route for the seller. Then after the get by id. Okay, so whatever the routes you have discussed now, it is for everyone. Okay, so in any website if you go, we are only performing 4 or 5 operation. Either we are uploading information, you are taking information from the particular website, you are updating, deleting, and that things we are doing only, right? Then after there is a put, and then after there is a okay, no delete. Okay, then after there's a coupon code. Okay, for the coupon code we have a routes. Then after there is a event, for events we have a route. Then message.js for we have a routes. Okay, all the like all the routes which is required. Then after the order, post request, get request, get all, put, and put by ID. All routes are there. Then after there is a payments. For payments, like we have given all the things. For payment, we have used a Stripe. A Stripe is a, like used to make a payment gateway. So we have used this payment gateway also there. Okay, then after we have a product.js. In product.js, we have created route for the product. One is for the post. Okay, and another is for the like the get routes, and then after there is a delete routes. Okay, so everywhere there is a for operation only. If you see it properly, everywhere there is a for operation. Okay, then after the user and the withdraw. Okay, so it's done about the config. Okay, then it's done about the controller. Okay, now there is a db.json. Okay, in db.json, what we have is basically we have connected our database. Okay, then after we have a middleware. Okay, so now middleware what it's doing, it's basically one for the authentication, which mail you are sending, then they are catching the async operation, and it's for another one for the error. Okay, this is for the middleware. Then after modal is basically like defining like what kind of data in which routes we are using. Okay, so everybody tell me before modal, like up to this point, like the config, controller, db and middleware, clear up to this point, everyone? Just reply me in the chat. Yes, no. Clear to this point? Yes, no, please. Okay, some people have created the counter app, right? I can see the messages of them. Okay, clear? Can we move ahead, right? Yes, no. Okay. Okay, from all of you guys tell me how many of you are in like in final year of your college? Final year or in first year? I want to know. How many of you are in first year and final year? Okay, first year. So what about other people? Yeah, first year, good. Second year. Who is in final year? Okay. I'm degree final year, sir. Okay. Sri Bhupal Rao. Okay. Sri Bhupal Rao in final year. Okay. Third year, Pallavi in third year. Okay. We are second year, sir, from the Ramakrishnan Degree College. Where is Ramakrishnan Degree College? Anybody know? There is only one people from Ramakrishna Degree College. Where it is? Andhra Pradesh district. Okay. Second year. Okay. Degree, BSc, MPS final years. Okay, you guys tell me how many of you are from like the mechanical or CS, not from the like IT domain. Anyone? Or all are from the IT domain? All are from the IT domain, right? Okay, they're from IT. Okay, good, good. Okay, continue. So where we are discussing about the backend. Okay, in backend we have a modal. Okay, modal is for what we are using. We are using for the conversion.js. Okay, so conversion, what type of modal we are using? Group title is a string and all. We have discussed all the things in detail. What is modal? I think, right? Then for the coupon, like what kind of coupon you are using and what kind of data you are sending to the coupon. This is for this. Then after there is a event. Then after the message.js. Then after there is a order.js. Okay, for the product, shop, user, withdraw. Okay, so for everything we have a modal. Okay, then after this node module, it's a like a installation of all the npm and everything. We no need to take care of these things. Okay, then after there is a utils. Utils is for the error handler. Okay, whatever the handle error you are getting for this, this is the JW token. Okay, which token you are generating. Then after the send mail, this is used to send mail on your like the co-host. Okay, then the shop token. Okay, whenever you are creating shop, this is for the shop token. Okay, then after what we have a app.js. Okay, so this is for the app.js and all these things. Okay, in app.js we have imported all the routes and everything whatever you are using. Okay, so it's all are working there. Okay guys, done. Then after there we have a package.json package. Okay, then after we have server.js, we have imported all the things, and then Vercel we have employed this one Vercel, that's why it's coming. Okay, so that is all about the backend part. Now we come to the front end. Okay, in front end we have a node module. Okay, it's by default folder creating all the package and everything, so no need to discuss about these things. Then after we have a public. In public we have a favorite icons. Okay, then after index.html we are using some logo or which is already there. So and then after the using the manifest json. Okay, it's all are by default, no need to things about, no need to know about these things. Then after the main file is src. Okay, in src there are so many things, so we are interested in this file only, right? Yes, no? Okay, the first one is the assets. In assets we have like some e-commerce image or something like whatever it is needed in the json format, it is there. Then after that we have a component. In admin we have created the admin sidebar. Okay, this is when you go on the admin page. Okay, just wait here. When you go on the admin page, this is the sidebar we are getting, right? So these all are things there. Okay, we can do one thing, go to the, okay, done. Okay, then after what we have, then after we have admin dashboard. Okay, admin dashboard where we are creating all the product and everything. That is the admin dashboard. Okay, then after we have a all event.jsx. Okay, so whatever the event you are creating is from here, like the header name, minimum width is already all are there, and we are returning all the files there. Right. So my main agenda is to discuss all the things now. To not to like learn all the code. Okay, to at least you guys should understand like what should be the architecture for creating this kind of pages and all, right? So this is our main agenda. Okay, then after we have a all product.css. Okay, I want just one answer, quick answer from you guys. Okay, before that, before like starting this course and all. Okay, how many you have like created any page or anything by yourself only, not by any help? How many of you? Yeah, you guys got the attendance sheet also. You can mark it. Yeah, please mark it. Take some 2 3 minutes of time and mark it. Okay, you guys tell me like before that, how many of you guys have created like any page, any website before this starting this like the workshop? How many of you? Yeah, just give your quick response. Yes, yes, just reply me. Okay, I see the chat. Most of the people have like not tried this. Okay, so no worries. Please try to understand. Okay, so there is a product page where what we are doing now. Whatever the project we are getting. Okay, we are implementing all these things here. Like we have given the like the columns. Okay, in columns what we need field name, hard and all these things are there. Header name, type, minimum width. Okay, we have created one folder, kind of these things, and we are mapping all the data there. Right. Then after all seller, all user, all things. Okay, so just I want you guys to do one thing. Okay, I'm sending one code. Okay, I'm sending this code to you. Okay, I'm sending this code to you only. Okay, in the chat box. Okay, basically. Okay, and you guys have to tell me one thing. I'm going to ask. Okay, I'm sending this code in the chat box. Okay, okay, its limit it exceeds the limit. Okay, I'm sending the below one. Okay, I don't have to send that much code. Okay, I have to share this much only. Okay, so you guys just tell me in the chat. Okay, everybody by your end. Okay, you just tell me like what are the like the library and the dependency we are using importing basically. Okay, I want this response from you. Okay, what are the library and is like the dependency we are using. Okay, just I have sent it in the chat. You guys reply me. Okay, yeah, just check it from your end and tell me. All the dependency and everything. Yes, everyone. Okay, I got your message. Few of are correct and few of are not correct. Okay, so I'm explaining, right. Okay, what dependency basically we are using. Okay, so we have imported one component button from the material UI. Then after we have imported the data grid. It's also from the material UI, and the most like that in the all of the pages these things are only used. Okay, so that's why I wanted to like explain you this thing. Then after using React use effect, okay, for side effect. Then after the AIO outline delete and AIO outline. Okay, this is the icons we are using. Then user dispatch we are using. Then after we have imported the link from the DOM. Okay, for routes, and then after the get all products shop. Okay, it's all getting from the Redux. Okay, you can see. Then after delete product is also coming from Redux. Then after we have a loader access to the fetch. Then after server from the server, and then after using user state from the React. Okay, so these all are library we are using. Okay, so we discuss about all the form, all the file. Then after the cart, we have a cart page, we have a checkout page, checkout step dot page. Then after we have an event. Okay, then after we have a layout. Okay, layout for the admin header, drop down, everything is there. Okay, so basically if you see these things now, it's all are the component and we are assembling everything on the like in this app.js. Okay, it's all are in the app.js. Okay, so whatever the page and everything we have created. Okay, so it's all are like the individual, and at the end we are importing everything. Okay, in the main page. Okay, so that's why you can see the page. Okay, then after there is a page, in page there is a lots of file. Okay, then after there is a redux. In action there is a routes. Okay, in action in redux basically tell us now like what routes is for what. Okay, means what is the action for that particular route. So it is defined in the action. For every page there is a action, and then after, yeah, then after there is a reducer means what the update they are carrying. Okay, what information they are carrying, this is for the reducer. Okay, and then after there is a store where we are importing all the reducer which we have created. This is the user, seller, product, event, card, wish list, and order. Okay, if you go there in reducer, where is the reducer? This is the reducer. You find it like the cart is there, right there, the event is there. Okay, then after there is the order, product, everything is there. So these are from the reducer, and finally we are configuring all these things. After doing all these things now, what we have to do, we have to go to the I'm telling about the route, what is called redux. Okay, so we have to go to index.js, and where we have to provide the store. Okay, this store is coming from the redux. Okay, then after your redux is working fine. Okay, and then after it's done. Okay, so that's all about the this is the front end part. Okay, and then after one more important things. Okay, we have a socket. Okay, in this socket what we have a one ports, and inside port we have a only index.js file. Okay, so this is basically makes sure now this like the socket what it does. Basically, it's make the like the a smoother of your like the whatever the functionality you are working on the back end, and in the front end, it's make the things happen in the real time. Okay, how it's make the things happen by real time by using this course. Okay, course is a kind of a middleware. Okay, which makes your like whatever the things going in the front end and back end. Okay, it will make sure that like everything should be on the same page and work smoothly. Means like that, suppose if you are passing some information, suppose as a you are a user, right, in that page. Okay, and we have created this page. Okay, so whatever the information you are passing from as a user, like we are creating login, sign up, log out, whatever information you are creating, it should like a smoothly go to the backend, then it will can store. Like suppose you see like if you log in, it will store your information, right, and if you log out with if you like sign in the same email ID, it will allow you to log in, right. So these things are happening by this. Okay, if you run the main routes of this localhost 4000, you'll see like hello world socket server. In this there is a add user we are using, then we have a remove user is also there, get user is also there. Everywhere we are using some like the inbuilt things. Okay, add user means we are pushing all the information in the socket. Got it? Yes, no? Then after the create message, in message we are sending like the sender ID, receiver ID. We are sending all this information here. Okay. Then after the IO.connect basically what it does now, it's connect, it makes your like the whatever you are connecting to the socket. it will go smoothly. Okay, then after the socket.io on user, and then after the add user, then after you are sending message. Okay, then after socket.on message, whatever the things you are doing, it will show in the text. Then after the socket dot on for the message sender, and like whatever who is the receiver, it will for them. Okay, suppose if you are creating, suppose when you are creating any login, so it will give you as a pop-up. Okay, so for this, so this all about like the architecture of basically like how to create a like a full stack project. Okay, so one is for the backend part, one is for the front end part, and one is for the socket part. Okay, and what is the use for everything? Backend is basically deal with the backend. Okay, right. Front end is basically deal with the front end, and in socket is basically it's a combination of front end and backend, and it's like a like work as a like the, you can say, the middleman to like the connecting the front end and back end, right? Got it, everyone? Yes, no? Yes, sir, just reply me in the chat. Okay, good, good. Attendance sheet in the chat box, you can get it. Okay, those who don't get it, those who don't get the attendance sheet, check on the chat box. It's already there. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay, it's already sent. You can check it. Yes, it's already sent. You can check it. Now, sir has sent it once again. You can check it there. Okay. Got it? Okay. And I want to discuss about one more library. And just wait here. Everybody focus here, okay? So if you go in, okay, suppose if you are using any file or anything and you want to check it library what we are using. So we are using course.env express nodeman and socket.io. Okay. So anybody can tell me what is the .env? What is the .env is doing here? What is the purpose of .env? .env, it's a dependency we are using in our project. So what is the purpose of using this? Yeah, yeah, please tell me. Okay, git ignore is a by default. Okay, it's a by default file when you are creating like your like the backend or front end server, whatever you are creating, it's coming by default. Yes. Okay, so we are talking about .env. Just tell me what is the .env? Yeah, everyone. Yeah, what is .env? Anyone? Any intelligent people in the meeting who want to answer this? Okay, no reply. What is the .env? .env dependency we are using. Just see here, everyone. If you go there, you will find it there is a .env. Okay, I'm checking some assignment you people are sending. This is a .env. Okay, this is the .env dependency. Okay, right, we are using there. Okay, inside dependency, okay, there is a .env. What is the use of this .env here? I want answer of these things. Yes, yes, please reply me. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, please work on it like the what is the .env. Okay, it's very important to make your file like the safe from the like the malware attack and some like the cyber attack. Okay, so .env play a major role. Okay, so you guys just try to search it about the .env and like gather some information. Okay, so once you will try searching by yourself, then you'll get to know like what is the use of it and how it will work. Okay, everyone. Okay, so any question up to this point, anyone? Yes, any question, anything? Yes, if you want, you can ask me. Yes, any question, anything? Can you please say, sir, just still upload the today code separately? Okay, I will share my mail ID and everything. Okay, you guys can ping me, like I have shared few of the student my contact also, so you guys can ping me. Okay, or okay. I have shared like the contact and all, you can contact there, okay? Yes. Yeah, any question, anything up to this point? Okay. So that's all for today. Connect you tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow we'll have a lots of fun and everything. Okay? Yes. Yes, yes. Tomorrow we have a lots of fun. And some task also. We'll do some task also. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow on the same time. Okay, what's you are writing in the chat, guys? Okay. I have shared, okay?
Okay, so thank you. Thank you, students, for joining, and we'll see you tomorrow on day 15.